Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to whistle with one hand or two hands. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps for whistling using one hand or two hands. So I'll be going over the basic steps. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to demonstrate and then I'll explain how I do it. Now, I'm not going to do it too loud, but you can get really loud with this. I don't want to really throw off the audio of this video. So check this out. Here's a demonstration with one hand, okay? And you can see I'm using different fingers on that hand. Here's a demonstration with two hands. So that's how you do it, and the harder that you breathe or blow, the louder that it's gonna get. But I don't wanna be too loud, like I said. All right, so this is how you do it with one hand. Essentially, or two hands. Essentially, your fingers have to be touching each other inside of your mouth. You wanna get them, whichever fingers you're using, and curl your tongue, like sort of flop it over like this. Okay, you're doing that with your tongue. Like that right there. And your fingers, and you're sort of pushing your tongue back just a bit. Like you're not gonna gag yourself, but just a little bit. Your fingers are touching each other inside of your mouth, and you're gonna curl your lips like this. Okay, like that. Clamp them down over your fingers, and you're gonna blow. So I always like to start off when I'm teaching people by going your thumb and your middle finger on one hand, okay? That's the easiest way to learn. Take those, put them together like this. Turn them like this, okay? So that this part of your thumb is facing up. Curl them over your tongue that is sort of curled backwards. So put them on top of your tongue that is flopped backwards. Curl your lips over your teeth. Clamp them on your fingers and just try and blow and sort of try a few times like this. Okay? And what you can do is wet your lips. It just makes it a better sounding whistle. Okay, and just keep doing that. Like if you don't get the whistle sound right away, keep practicing. The first time I did this, I think I spent like 40 minutes just going, and eventually I heard the sound and I was like, wait, do that again. And then eventually you just know how to do it every single time. And you can use any two fingers together, just in that same formation. Okay, even like this. Very simple. Now you do the same thing when you want to whistle with two hands, okay? Take any two fingers, one finger on each hand, put them together like this, okay? Do the same thing. Put them over your flipped tongue, like that. Curl your lips, clamp down on your fingers, and blow air out. Wet your lips to make the sound a little better. Now I'll come a little bit closer to the camera so you can sort of see really what it looks like up close. Check this out. Okay? And you'll see if I move my lips in different directions, it sort of stops and starts again. So you got to move your lips to find that secret spot, okay? And I will tell you from my experience, it is easier to learn with one hand. And then you can use two hands, because with two hands you can get different sounds when you combine the fingers differently, okay? But it's better to learn with one hand using your thumb and your middle finger. That's the best way to learn. And practice that. And then once you get that, you can experiment with different combinations of fingers and then different fingers on two hands. It's as simple as that. And generally speaking, the smaller that you go with the fingers, the higher the pitch is going to be. So like if I go like this, it's going to be a lower pitch than if I go like this. A much higher pitch. I don't know the specifics as to why, but I think it's because of the way that the air channel is created. But that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial on how to whistle with one hand and two hands. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.